Hello and hi, namaste to my grade 4 students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine over there, right? So grade 4, are you ready to learn? In previous class, we have learned about perimeter, right? So now today, we are going to learn about area. Okay? So you must already known about the area. So let's have a look, learn and observe. Then after, act it. Ready? I hope you are ready over there. Okay students, do you know what do you mean by area? Let's learn the area with one figure. I have one figure for you. Okay, it's a square. So it's 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. That means square mean all those sides having same unit, right? So student, the figure alongside is bounded with straight line, right? 4 straight line, and what you can see over here, the surface is enclosed by their square unit, or we can say it's a unit, it's called centimeter. While we are writing it's in the area. If you want to write in the area, then how to write? Area mean there are altogether 4 sides of in the square. So how to write in area? Area, it means we are going to take only 2 sides, this side and this side, in form of the multiple sign. Okay. So area, or you can write area of square equals to L into L. L denotes for length, its length, and here is given unit as a 1 centimeter. So you can write here 1 cm times 1 cm. It will be 1 square centimeter, or we can write it as 1 cm square. Both are same. This both are same. Either you can write upper part or at down part. Whatever you like, you can prefer it. Okay. So student, after this, let's move to the next picture. Okay. Before that, moving to the next picture, let's write a short note about square, area of square. Okay, that is, it's the region covered by a closed plane surface. What we can write? It's the region covered by a closed plane surface. Plane mean all the sides are straight in line, right? So it's closed plane figure. Okay, and here we have to say closed plane surface. Done? Good. Like this. Grade 4, we have another. What is that? It's rectangle. So are you ready to learn about rectangle? Okay students, see here in the rectangle also. Okay students, see here in this rectangle, over here also we are going to do the same thing. Rectangle also, it's bounded with plane surface, 4 side plane surface, right? All the sides are plane in figure, so all the sides are bounded with straight line. They are the plane surface, closed plane surface. And here, have you noticed, two sides are having a same unit and opposite, and the next 2 sides are having a same but not matched with the 5 cm, right? Over here written 5 cm, it's not matched with each other. That means opposite sides are equal. Then we have to write it. You have to identify there, it's longer in length. So I am going to write here length is given as 5 cm and breadth is given as a 3 cm. Now you have to find out the area of this rectangle. Okay, so area of rectangle is L into B. That means L denoted for length and B denoted for breadth. L into B. So write down here 5 cm into 3 cm. That means 5 times 3 is 15 square centimeter, or we can say it 15 cm square. Done? I hope you have done this one. Okay students, now see for the slide. Over here, have you seen? We have already discussed about area, right? So here, area means the surface of a simple closed region, right? You can see over there, the unit of area are the square of the units of length. Yes? Okay, below that, here is written centimeter into centimeter. That means it's square centimeter. Cm into cm is writing, right? It's a short form of a centimeter. So you have to write it cm into cm equals to square centimeter. Okay, just like over here, meter into meter, m into m equals to square meter, and then kilometer into kilometer. It's time, kilometer times kilometer, then it will be square kilometer. Right students? Okay, then I have already shown in the first over there also at the board, okay, that unit should be in the form of the square. Number should be multiplied and the unit should be in the form of square. Okay, now methods to find out the area. That means how can we have already find out the area of rectangle as well as area of a square, right? Over here you can see here methods of finding area. Now first one is, what is the method of first one? See here, by dividing a region into unit square. You have to divide the region, whatever is given over there, whatever object is given over there, you have to divide that object into a unit square, and thereafter counting that square, unit square, and you have to find out the area. Now next, by using a formula. Time and again we used our formula, but we are not using a counting method, right? Let's have a look for the next slide for a counting method. Okay, first method is here, counting unit square. Have you seen? Okay, please check the picture over here. That is first question as an example for you all. Find the area of the given figure. Have you seen the figure? Do you like it? I also like it very much. Okay, now each square. Okay, in that picture, each square having a 1 centimeter. That means 1 square centimeter, and each half. Have you seen the half over there? Okay, that half is equal, half and half. If one square is cut it into two parts, then it became one half triangle and another half triangle. When two triangles join with each other, again it became a square, right student? So, and half, if we added it, it again becomes a 1. So, will you count it and find out the answers? Please observe it very carefully, and you have to count it by yourself and you have to write the answer by yourself. That's your assignment. Okay. Now next method. Next example. See here. That is area of rectangle. Have you seen? What is there? Area of rectangle A equals to L into B, right? L is the length, L denotes for the length, B denotes for the breadth, right student? So here, find the area of rectangle PQRS having length equals to 7 unit and breadth equals to 5 unit. So have you looked? Now, see in the board now students, for this question you need to write a solution. Yes, so we are going to find out the solution of this question. Then how to write the solution? See here, this is the question taken from your slide. See here, PQRS is given in a rectangle form, right? It's a rectangle, PQRS. Now, SR, you can see at down SR as a 7 unit, or you can say here PQ equals to SR equals to it's 7 unit, and here down PS or QR equals to 5 unit. So student, you can write it here, length. Solution, first of all, while writing the answer you must need to write down the solution at first. We are solving the problems, right? Please write down the solution over here. And then after, write down the length. Length. It's L equals to how many unit? It's 7 unit. Please write down 7 unit. Then after, please go on writing breadth. Breadth B equals to 5 unit. Now, by using a formula, we are going to find out the solution. It's a second method. So, area of rectangle A equals to L into B. Done? Good. So now, please write down L mean it's 7 unit, right? So 7 unit times 5 unit, it will be 7 times 5 is 35 unit, and unit while we multiply it will be unit square, or you can write a square unit. This is the answer. Or you can write 35 square unit. Either you can write like this way or in this form. That's depend upon you, which you want to prefer. Okay student. Now, let's look for the next slide. Ready? Okay. Now, see here. Wow. What is doing over there? What is that man is doing over there? He's dancing? No. What he is doing over there? He is just watching to the land. Why he is watching that figure, that lands? Do you know there are 3 lands? Have you seen? Okay, that is 3 different lands having a different shapes. First is in a square shape. Second is in which shape? Tell me. You have to say it me, okay? Now you have to say me, think about it. Later on only you can say to me. Okay. That means first, okay. See there, on which land can he grow the largest number of trees? It's just thinking about that land. Which land and where he can grow number of trees, more number of trees. He is thinking, he is making a plan. Will you make a plan? Okay, see that man is making a plan. In which land should I prefer to grow a more number of trees? He is thinking. See there. Wow, number of trees is there. What are they? Can you see? Okay. First think, he is thinking about how large is this land and how many trees can I plant over here, so I will always be in profit. See, he is thinking and thinking and thinking, and finally after thinking he have seen in first picture he can grow 12 number of trees, and in second picture he have seen that he can grow 8 number of trees only, and then after last he can grow 9 number of trees. Think, see there, you can count also. Okay, then he need to plant that tree on the ground, on the land, to grow it and get number of fruits from it. See? Okay, he just went to his field. You want to plant that all trees. Which one you like to prefer? Which one? 12 number of trees, 8 number of trees, or 9 number of trees? Obviously 12 number of trees. Why? You want to be in profit. Right, student? So he moved towards his land. Now he is thinking how I can divide this land and how large is this land. In what the differences I have to plant that tree so that I can move around the field time and again, I can see it, I can take care of the plant. He is thinking now in what differences I have to plant the tree. Now he needs to make a plan. Another thing, see there is one square tile, right? He fixed that one square tile over there in his land, and he started to fix up that square tile all over there. See there, he put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 7 tiles he have kept, and land is over there. Right? Have you seen? Okay. Then after, one side he completed. And then see there, one tile it's of 1 meter. Right? So 7 tile means it's a 7 meter, and it's take 7 meter in one side. Now another side, how many tiles he have fixed over there? See, count it. It's again up to 7. 7 in length side, 7 in another length side. Altogether, think about it, altogether how many tiles can be fixed in his land? Can you guess it? Think about it fast. Okay, student, if one tile is 1 square unit, then there are 7 tiles. That means it's a 7 square unit. Then 7 into 7. What will be the answer? 7. You can see over here also, student. Solution is, you can see over here, 7 into 7. That means 7 is going on this side and 7 is coming on this side. Here are 7 tiles. 7 tiles, and here side, this side also 7 tiles. Now you need to fix up in the land, in total land. So what he have to do? He have to multiply it so that he can complete, because these and these, they are the equal. 7 tiles in this side, 7 tiles in this side, 7 tiles also in this side, and 7 tiles in this side. That means altogether 7 and 7, 8 will be 49 square unit. Because we have already I informed you that one tile, one square tile equals to 1 unit. That means 7 square tile is 7 unit. That means 7 times 7 is 49 square unit. So, can you guess it? How much he have to make a differences over there? First of all, he fixed the tiles in his land and then after he planted that tree over there. Done? Okay. If it is completed, then students, okay, this is the counting number of tiles from that field. Okay, students, one exercise you can do at your home. Do you know how to fix a carpet in your room? Okay, first of all, before fixing a carpet in your room, please check out whether your room is in square form or in a rectangular form. Okay, if your room is in the rectangular form, you have to find out the length of your room and the breadth of your room. Longer side you can say it as a length and the shorter side you can say it as a breadth. Longer side is as a length and shorter side is a breadth. Okay, so longer and shorter side. Which side? Okay, then after looking at your room, after measuring at your length of your room, then what you can do? You can find out the area of your room by multiplying the length and the breadth. After multiplying it length and breadth, you will get some area over there, right? You just go and ask that area. According to the area, you can go and ask the carpet from the shop. Can you do it? Think about it. If you need it, if you want to try it, please try it. Start to measure it and take help of your parents also, okay, while measuring, so that you can get the accurate value. Okay, students. Now, let's enter to some exercise also inside your book. Are you ready to do one exercise? Okay. Now, have a look for your question. First question. Find the area of, okay. Find the area of, first one is length is given as a 5 cm. Okay, student, you have to be ready that you must know about if a single unit is given L equals to 5 cm, then you can write it, area of square equals to N into L. You can use your formula, okay, and you can find out the answer. L into L means 5 cm into 5 cm. It's 25 square centimeter. This will be your answer. Like this way, same over here, you can add. If there is given 5 cm and B as a 2 cm, then again you can do the same process. Area, length and given, breadth also given, that means area of a rectangle. You can find it. Area of rectangle is L into B, that's 5 cm into 2 cm, then 5 times 2 is 10 square centimeter. Can we write it? Obviously we can do it. I hope, my dear student, you understand today one topic about area. Please keep on practicing at your home. Okay, I hope you understand this exercise. Please keep on practicing at your home. Stay safe, keep on practicing and have a nice day ahead.